A very good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
So this is the life skill test, and my name is Chaitanya Kharel. I'm going to take the test for 15 to 18 minutes altogether. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, so I wanted to go with the Ramala. So,
Yes,
what's
sir.
your full name?
My full name is Ramala Yungangundu.
Okay, can you spell your full name, please?
Yes, it is RAMALAYONHANGLIMBU.
Okay, Ramala. And where are you from?
I'm from Taplejung.
Okay, and how long did you live in Taplejung?
I live in there 21 years.
21 years. And do you still live at Taplejung at the moment?
No, at the moment I live Kachan Kowal, Japa.
Japa, okay. So let's talk about your day. Like, which part of the day do you really like the most?
I like morning time.
Morning time, okay. So why do you like morning time?
I walking and I eat breakfast.
Okay, that's good. All right. Now I wanted to switch with Radha, okay? So Radha, what's your full name?
My full name is Radha Rana.
Radha Rana. Okay, can you spell it for me?
Yes, it is RADHARANA.
And where are you from?
I'm from Samliji.
Okay, and how long have you been living there?
There are 2 years.
It's almost 2 years. Where do you live now at the moment?
It is 2 years.
No. You lived there since long time?
No.
So how long have you lived there?
There are 2 years.
2 years. And where do you live now?
I live now in
That place again. Previously, where did you live?
before it's Jodipani.
Jiripani. Okay. Anyway, so Radha, let's talk about music. Do you like to listen music?
Yes, I like music
So why do you like to listen music?
because I enjoy listening music.
What are the different types of music that you like to listen?
I like Nepali music, sometimes English music.
Okay. So now, in this part of the test, I'm going to give you the topic, okay? So, in this part, you get 1.5 minute time to prepare the question. Both of you will get 2 different topics. Is that okay? Yes. This is the paper for making the notes, making the questions. Okay, this is the paper for you. And for candidate A, Ramala, you get the topic long journey. And Radha, you get the topic things that you like to buy. Okay, you have 1.5 minutes. Remember that. Okay, your time is up. You can ask the question with each other. Firstly, Ramala will begin asking the question. Okay?
Yes, sir. Are you ready, friends?
I'm ready.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like travel.
How often do you go to long travel?
I sometimes go to long travel.
Have you ever been foreign country
Yes.
travel?
Yes, I go.
Which is your favorite place travel?
My favorite place is Lumbini.
Do you enjoy in travel?
Yes, I enjoy travel.
With whom do you go to travel?
I go to with my family.
Do you listen music in travel time?
Yes, I listen music in travel.
Do you meet a new person in travel? Why you like travel long?
Because I enjoy.
When did you last time you travel?
Last year.
How much money do you spend in travel?
I spent around 30,000 in.
Okay, yeah, time is up now. Radha will ask the question to her partner. Start, please.
Are you ready, friend?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you like buy things?
Yes, I like buy things
Why you like buy things?
because my hobby.
Okay, how often do you buy shopping?
I sometimes buy shopping.
With whom do you go for shopping?
With my friends.
Okay. Where do you go for shopping?
I go to shopping mall.
How much money do you spend in shopping?
I around 5,000 spend.
Okay. Do you like vegetable buy?
Yes, I like vegetable buy.
Okay. When did you go to last time shopping?
I yesterday.
Is shopping your hobby?
Yes, sometime my
That's
hobby.
fine. Could you please give that paper back to me, please? Okay. All right. Now in this part, I'm going to give you question. Okay.
Yes.
You will listen the audio very carefully and circle the correct answer, or you will write the
Yes,
correct
sir.
answer. There will be 2 recording altogether. Each recording you get 1 question, and second recording you get 3 questions. Altogether 3 questions for you, 3 questions for you. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
All right.
Hello, this is Emily. Today is my father's birthday. I live in another city, but I am going home with my family to surprise him. My daughter baked a birthday cake for her grandfather. I'm at a flower shop right now, and I am buying flowers for my father.
All right. That is the end of the first recording. Now, firstly, I want to ask the question to Ramala. Okay. What
Yes,
are they buying? Flowers, fruits, or vegetables?
Flowers.
Flowers. So, candidate B, Radha. And what are they buying? Flower, fruits, or vegetable?
Fruits.
Fruits. Okay. So now, you will again listen the audio and answer it. But before
Yes, sir.
that, I'm going to ask you the question.
Yes,
Firstly,
sir.
I want to ask the question to Radha. Listen it.
To surprise him, my daughter baked a birthday cake for her grandfather. I'm at a flower shop right now, and I am buying flowers for my father. There are so many beautiful flowers here, and it's hard to choose from. I'm choosing a mix of roses and daisies, his favorite. Hello, this is Emily.
Okay. So, candidate A. That means in the first recording, Radha, who baked the cake?
Her daughter.
Her daughter. What else did she buy?
A sweet.
A sweater. Next candidate. How often does he go to the market?
For the week.
For a week. And what will he buy from the meat station?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Yes,
Could you
sir.
please give that question booklet back to me?
Sir.
Don't worry if I stop you in the middle. Okay? Your time starts now.
Yes, sir.
I like music. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music. Which type do you like music?
I like romantic music. And you?
I like Nepali music. What is your favorite singer name?
My favorite singer is Telina Rai. How often do you listen music?
I listen music sometime. Do you listen music every day?
Yes, I listen music every day. With whom do you listen music?
With my family. And how often do you listen music?
I listen music sometime.
This is the end of Lifeskill A1 speaking and listening test. Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you, sir.